I'm talking about is extra credit number 5, which is the bridge building. I've noticed that a few of you tried it and you're making some progress on that, but I'm having difficulty opening the files that you're uploading, and it's probably because you didn't watch this video right here all the way through. So when you click on extra credit number 5 right here, you'll get this page right here, and there's a video tutorial right there that explains how to install the software and what to upload. What has been happening, though, is not everybody's watching that video or not watching it all the way through. So go ahead and watch this all the way through, and then I'm going to show you the last part of it, which some people seem to be skipping. And here's how it goes. After you install the software, you run the application, and it looks like this. Loading, there it is. And then so you start the project here, and it looks like I'm already on level 2, so I must have done a level prior to today's class. And so when you look at these levels, what you're doing is you're using trusses to make these bridge structures. Maybe I can just go back and do the other one, just so I can show you what it looks like. All right, so here's a bridge right here, and what you're supposed to do is maybe make a more sound structure here than what I had before. Like that, a little more structure to it.
You make it really outlandish.
Excuse me? Okay. And then you test it, and then you run the train across there, and it'll show you the stress levels on there. I think if you click this, Analyze Stress. And what you want to do is make a bridge that doesn't collapse, and the train should not crash into the river here, because that will happen if your structure is not strong enough. And you only have so many truss members that you can use, so many beams that you can use. Once you get it to a point where it says level passed, what you want to do is on your keyboard, press Alt Print Screen. Now this is kind of new to most people, but the print screen is located up there by scroll lock and pause. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This is the part that people are missing. So there goes my audio again. Okay. I'll just talk louder for the rest of this. So you hit Alt Print Screen, and then you exit out of the program, completely all the way out. Then you go over to Microsoft Word, and you open up a blank document and type level 1. All right, so there's level 1, and then you hit, right-click, paste, and that will paste the screenshot of what you had before. Did anybody already know how to do that? So people have seen that before.
I think you just push print screen, not alt.
Okay, well, I'll try that just in case, just to try it out. Print screen usually prints it to the printer, but I don't want it to go to the printer. I want it to go to memory.
It's just print screen.
Okay, on laptop it's not going to be print screen. So I'm going to do just print screen like that, and then it froze the program.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to come back over here and see what it pasted. And so suppose this next one here is level 2. So I actually want you to type this in, level 2, and then right-click, paste. And so it did actually print screen worked as well. So Alt Print Screen or just print screen, and put each one of these levels on a different page. So for extra credit, you have to work all the way up to level 7. And then what you want to do then is File, save this as a doc file. So not a docx, but actually a doc file, just for consistency and ease of access for me. And so what people are doing is they're uploading the image or uploading some other configuration file, and there's not really any consistency there. So just give it your initials, WDB in my case right here. Click Save. Go over to the link over here that we had for the extra credit. You want to browse to that file. Go over to the desktop. There's the file right there. Load it in. You want to type in your ID number so that I know who it is. If you don't type anything here, I won't know who uploaded it. And then upload. Okay, so the part that was being missed was the pasting the image into a Word document and uploading all 7 levels at the same time in a doc file. Any questions about that? It's for extra credit, so you don't have to do this, but I think you'll have fun doing that. And cut.